अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है कॉग्निशन एंड हाउ स्टूडेंट्स थिंक। कॉग्निशन का जो डेफिनेशन है, कॉग्निशन रेफर्स टू द मेंटल प्रोसेसेस दैट इनेबल humans to acquire, process, store and use knowledge. It includes perception, attention, memory, problem solving, reasoning, language, decision making. In educational psychology, cognition studies how learners understand, interpret, and respond to information. Cognition is not a passive reception of information. It is an active, constructive process. Students do not simply absorb knowledge. They organize, interpret, and transform it using prior experiences, beliefs, and mental models. How students think. Key cognitive process. Number one, attention. Students learn only what they attend to. Attention is selective. Distractions reduce cognitive efficiency. Classroom example. A teacher using storytelling increases attention because the brain is wired to follow narratives. Working memory. Working memory temporarily holds and manipulation information. A teacher explaining a math formula while showing a complex diagram, students may forget the first steps due to WM overload. Long-term memory. Stored knowledge, skills, concepts, and experiences. Deep learning happens when WM successfully transfers information to LTM through repetition, meaning making, elaboration, emotional connection. Classroom example for cognition. A student solving a word problem uses attention to read the question, working memory to hold numbers, schema for math operations, metacognition to check if the answer makes sense. This is cognition at work. Our second topic is growth mindset versus fixed mindset. Fixed mindset is a belief that intelligence and abilities are innate, unchangeable traits. While growth mindset is a belief that intelligence and abilities can be developed through effort, strategies, and persistence. This is a concept by Dr. Carol Dweck. Fixed mindset characteristics are students avoid challenges, fear of failure, give up quickly, see efforts as useless, while they think if I'm smart, I should not need effort, threatened by others' success. While growth mindset characteristics are students embrace challenges, they persist despite failure, use feedback for improvement, they believe effort strengthens ability, inspired by other success. The example of fixed mindset and growth mindset are fixed mindset. I am not good at math. There's no point trying. Mean they are not willing to try because they think they are not good. They will not get good at math by trying. While the growth mindset thinker, math is tough, but I can improve with practice and guidance. Growth mindset always accepts challenges and he tries to make change. Our third topic is praise for effort versus praise for intelligence. Praise is verbal feedback that reinforces behavior, but what we praise deeply shapes student mindset. When we praise for intelligence, it creates pressure, performance pressure. It encourages fixed mindset. Students avoid difficult tasks to maintain the smart image. It leads to fear of failure. While we praise for effort, you work really hard on this, encourages growth mindset, emphasizes process, boosts perseverance, helps children and understand improvement comes from practice and effort and strategy. Direct studies show students praised for intelligence choose easier tasks, while students praised for effort choose challenging tasks. Effort praised students show higher resilience after failure. Our sixth topic is color, symbol, image, CSI routine. CSI is a thinking routine from Harvard's Project Zero. It helps students represent abstract ideas through color, symbol, and image. CSI promotes conceptual understandings, creativity, and metacognition. Instead of memorizing, students express meanings visually and emotionally. Learners transform a concept into a color represents the concept's emotional tone. A symbol, a simple shape representing the idea. An image, a detailed visual representing the concept. Why CSI works? It attracts, it activates right and left brain, supports deeper conceptual processing, helps visual learners, it increases memory retention, it encourages personal meaning making. I hope you have liked this video. If you like, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.